Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. Okay, so in today's session I will take few trades as per the market movement. So let's analyze the market first. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to check your 5-minute time frame. Okay, so here you can easily see that market is going up from this point. Okay, so this is your buyer's area. Now after this, if I zoom out a bit more, 15-minute chart, what I am seeing here, the situation is very much clear that market is now going up in an up direction. Okay, so now you can see this is an up direction and market is trying to go up. So from this point you can see you are getting here the seller's entries, and this is the reversal area. Now you can see here again we can go here with the buyers. I have taken again a trade here in an up direction. Why? If you analyze this area, you can see previously from seller's entry, when we saw here a seller's entry, we got here a momentum, but now at this time buyers are getting the momentum, seller is only in one candle, and again buyers entered. So it means that they will move up the market again and they will make here a bullish candle. So this is the reason why I took this trade. So let's see what happens here. So market is moving only in this zone right now. You can easily see that market is moving in this zone. So because of that I took my trade, and we will definitely win this trade. If you are getting your levels clearly, then there is no need to go that much in the past. But if you go in the past, it will be a good cross check for your trading setup. So right now you can see here from this point to this point. Now this is the next reversal area. Okay, let me show you here. This is a next reversal zone. So market was going down from this area. So now you can see again it got the rejection exactly from the level which I have drawn, and you can see here a bearish candle. Okay, so right now you can see here, if you analyze the market, you can see here market is hitting both areas here. But now what we need to do, you can see here market went up, went down, again went up, again going down. Now it is trying to move like this. So now I can easily go here with the sellers. Why I took this trade here in a down direction? I have already drawn the level here. Now you can see strong sellers entered again. Now market is again at the level. So 2 confirmations are enough for you to go with the third one. So market will again go down. So there is no need to worry about this trade. Market will make here a bearish candle. Okay, so we will get here another winning trade. Okay, so you can see we won this trade also. Now you can see market is opening from the above of this trend line, so it can make here another bullish candle. let's see. Okay, now you can see the opening price. The opening price is exactly at this trend line, so they can make here a bullish candle too. Now you can see here it opened from this zone, so because of that we can expect here a bullish candle, but situation should be clear while you take your trade. So okay, now you can see sellers are again trying to enter. Okay, I can go here confidently with the sellers. You can see here, this is a seller's rejection. This is a seller's rejection, a sign that sellers will enter at least here for one more minute. So because of that I took my trade, and now you will see here again a winning trade. So because of that I took my trade, and now if you want to analyze the market a bit more, this is your next level. So right now you can see market is trying to go down, and it will make here a bearish candle. So you can see I am not going very far in the left side. If you are having the levels here, then you can easily take your trades. Okay, so this is a strong support and resistance. Okay, I got the 5 second. I need a good entry point to go with the buyers. Okay, now a very good entry point for me. Now you can see market will go up, and I took my trade. Why? Because of the support and resistance. So after the trade I will show you also that. Okay, market needs to go up. Okay, it has to move up. Okay, it has to move up. So let me show you why I took this trade. So I am only watching here this small time frame of, okay, unfortunately market gave me a loss in trade, but because of entry I got this situation. Although you can see this was a bias entry, and I took my trade here. Why? Because you can easily see that this was a strong support and resistance. Now you can easily see that this was a support and resistance, so therefore I took my trade. But unfortunately market closed as a bullish, but I lost my trade. So because of this big jump in a downwards direction I lost my trade, otherwise it was a winning trade too. So this is how you can analyze the market, and this is how you can take your trades. So if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram, and I was busy because of that I wasn't able to reply you all that much. So you will get more and more videos. By using these videos you can improve your knowledge and you can take your best trades. So try to share, subscribe and comment, and try to join our channel Trading Skills on Telegram. The link is in the description. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead, and try to draw the levels like this. If you are getting the levels in this zone, so you can see I have drawn these lines here, so it means that you can easily draw the levels like this, and you can see exactly from those levels market is reversing back, because this was a support and resistance, this was a trend line level. So you can see each and everything is clear. So if you draw like this, you can get a win in your trading session. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead, bye for now.